This short video will introduce you to the VoiceThread application that we'll be using for several of your assignments in this fully online course this semester. When you see a VoiceThread assignment on a Moodle page, this is what it'll look like. All you need to do is click on the assignment and you'll be taken to a page where the assignment will be introduced. Next, you'll be directed to a screen that will ask you to open the application in a new window. If you get that screen prompt, just click on the blue letters to open this application. What I'd like you to do first is click on your name, and a drop-down menu will appear. You see a pencil icon there on the right, and then you'll be able to upload a photograph of yourself, so we'll get to see what you look like every time we're on VoiceThread together. When you've finished uploading the photograph, just click on the blue Done box and proceed. When you're ready to begin recording your assignment, look for the plus sign at the bottom of the page. What will appear then are a number of icons, and I'd like you for this first introductory assignment to click on the video icon. You see next to it to the left a microphone as well. You'll have some assignments where you can audio record your responses, but for your very first introduction of yourself, I'd love you to video record so we can all see what you look like, since we will only be meeting each other online this semester. Once you click on that icon, a countdown box will appear. Wait for the clock to work its way down and look into your webcam and begin to record. When you're finished recording, you stop the recording, and you can either save it if you're satisfied with it after listening to it, or cancel it and start all over again. I do suggest that you add your photograph. You can see in this picture to the left, all of the students' initials appear as a default option. And you see one of my students' video recording that's popped up. You click on each of those boxes and then you'll be able to watch or listen to the recordings. But it will be so much nicer when everyone's photograph is there so that we can all remember and have more of a personal experience on VoiceThread. You see the Chrome icon to the right. That's to remind you that VoiceThread really only works in Chrome and works best on a laptop or a desktop. Although there are mobile and tablet applications, I found them a little difficult to work with. Some of your VoiceThread assignments will have a narrated slideshow that I've prepared that you will need to listen to and wait for the prompt, which will cue you when to pause the slide and begin recording.